Welcome Leonardians! In today's video I'll show you how to achieve consistent faces using the canvas editor tool in Leonardo AI. If you'd like to achieve fantastic consistency like this, follow along and you'll be a pro in no time. Of course, if you find this video useful, consider tickling that like button. I'll also share a couple of pro tricks at the end of this video. Once you have the Leonardo web app open, click on the canvas editor, click the upload button and choose the image you'd like to change. I chose this image for the face because I love the different coloured eyes and want to keep them. Click the erase tool and remove everything but the face. Next I'll resize the generation box to the size I want the final image to be. In this case 640 by 960. Let's go with Absolute Reality 1.6 model and make sure Outpaint is on. Keeping the prompt simple, Ice Queen, Icy Cave background, intricate detail, then click Generate. Click Accept on the one you like best. For me it was this one. This method captured the Ice Queen nicely and gave her a cloak of darkness. Method 2. I'll use the face from method 1 for this as I like it so much, but if you want to try with a different face, you can. Upload the image you want again. I chose this one because the eyes weren't quite up to my standard. We'll click that erase tool again, but this time just erase the face. Now I'll click the select tool and resize the new face to get a close match. This is where the mask tool comes in. I'm going to just mask the edges as I want to keep all the features. Toggling Outpaint off for this one and adjust the strength to 0.7. Also, make sure the generation box is over the area you want to change. Keeping the prompt real simple this time, just using skin, then click Generate. Choose a generation you like best. I like this one. Click Download to save a copy to your download files. Now for the pro tricks I promised you earlier. Not only can you resize with the select tool, if you click this little square at the top, you can rotate. And for an added bonus, with your image selected, you can use the square bracket keys to change layers up and down. Now head over to Discord to share your creations with the thriving community of Leonardians. Our link to Discord and the wiki guide are in the description. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more videos like this aimed at making you a pro with Leonardo AI. Until next video, happy prompting!